Fair warning, my people. Number one, you are going to be using the bathroom like crazy. Number two, the bathroom will be your best friend, because if water's going in, it's going to find its way out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuvia Chahin. So today we are out of the beauty room. We are out of this normal setup. Today we are recording from my car. And from the title of this video, you guys already know what this video is going to be about. I was on my way to work and I realized, and I was thinking to myself, you don't drink a lot of water. You need to start drinking water. And I feel that the only way I drink water is if I have a big water bottle next to me. So it's the only way I'll see it. It's the only way I'll remember. And I want to start, and I want to do this video just to see what are the benefits of drinking a gallon of water a day. So I want to see it in a short term, long term, and like in between, somewhere there in between. So I have stopped here at the gas station. I bought myself this water. This right here is 1 liter. This is about 33 ounces, around there. So I would have to drink around 3.5 of these bottles, almost 4, to get to the gallon. So I'm gonna do this for a whole week. I want to see what are the benefits for skin. I want to see weight, and I'm thinking about doing this video for the results in just 1 week and the results in a month. So I have to start moving. I'm gonna be late to work, but I wanted to do this quick intro. I'm gonna take you along this whole week, show you parts of my day. I'm gonna tell you how I'm feeling, if I feel bloated with the water or if the water's making me feel good. I'm gonna keep you guys posted on everything. I hope you guys keep watching. Love you guys and enjoy the video. So first update of the day, guys, we're still here. I'm excited. I've drank 2 of these. So what I'm doing is just refilling it up here at work. 2 of them. That's 60, more than 60 ounces. I'm proud of myself because I don't think I have that within this time frame. So it took me from 8:30 to 10 to drink the first liter, and then it took me from whenever I refilled it, I think it was around 10:30, 12:30 to drink the second one. So I'm drinking a liter of water within 2 hours, and I'm not doing it forced. That's one thing. I'm not doing it forced at all. I'm trying to do everything naturally, like I said. So I'm feeling good. I feel like everything's fine. I'm not feeling bloated, because usually I feel bloated. I'm a person that accumulates water, so that happens to me. So I'm happy. Now I'm gonna refill it again. I still have basically the rest of the day to go, and hopefully I could drink a gallon or more of water today and for this whole week, and let's just see what those benefits are. We all know that water is the way to go. Water should be replaced by every single bad drink there is. A person that loves, well, I'm gonna say loved soda, because I haven't had soda for like around 3 months, and I'm extremely proud of myself for that. But I need to drink water if I want to continue to lose weight. So hopefully this is the way to go. I did weigh myself this morning. I have my weight, and I took some pictures of my face yesterday night just to see what it does to my skin. So I'm very excited. So I'll see you guys in the next update. Hey guys, so today's day 2 where I'm gonna attempt to drink a gallon of water. I want to give you some updates of how I'm feeling so far. I'm feeling actually very good. I think yesterday was the first day in my life that I've ever drank a gallon of water. It had me full literally like the whole day. My meals were just way smaller than usual, so I think that's a big plus. Other than that, I'm feeling good. I woke up today with energy. I usually wake up in the morning, not a morning person, but not that I hate mornings either, but I wake up a little sluggish, but I'm feeling actually very good today. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I gotta get ready for work, And let's see if I could drink another gallon of water today. Here I'm at Publix making sure to get my water. This will last me maybe for like the week if I keep refilling them up. Fair warning, my people. Number one, you are going to be using the bathroom like crazy. Number two, the bathroom will be your best friend, because if water's going in, it's gonna find its way out. So today is day number 4 of drinking a gallon per day to see health benefits, to see if there's any weight loss, to see if there's any skincare. We already know that the answer is yes, but I want to see how drastically does your body change when drinking a gallon of water per day. And if I could see already results within a week, maybe that could motivate me, you know, in a way, to drinking more water and to be very consistent in doing so. So I'm on my way to work, but I have my water here. This again is a liter, so I would have to drink 4 of those. So I'm out of work. It's 4:40. I'm on my way home, and I managed to drink more than half a gallon of water within an 8-hour time span. I don't think that's bad. I think that's actually very good, meaning that I could actually drink more than the gallon today. I'm excited. I feel like I'm doing really good. I'm feeling filled with energy and not craving as much garbage and junk as I usually do. I love snacks, so that's top garbage right there. So I'm feeling good. I feel good. I feel like I'm doing something good for myself. I will say, and I'm sorry for the position of this camera. I'm driving, so I'm not really looking at you guys. I will say that one benefit that I am loving so far is that it's giving me energy. And I usually feel sluggish and I feel tired when I come out of work, like exhausted in a way. I don't do any physical work at my job, but I do feel tired when I come out of work, and I'm feeling okay, feeling good. Use the bathroom like 20 times at work, I will tell you that. But I'm feeling so good. I feel like I'm actually doing something very good for myself. The word in this video, keyword, is gonna be good. Honestly, what other thing can you do for your body than reward it with water? I can't believe I was feeding my body so much unhealthy things, so much sugar, so much salt, and I'm able to clean my system out with water and something that's there, and it tastes amazing. So I'm very happy, extremely happy that I'm doing this for myself. And hopefully after this week I could continue, not only for the sake of this video, but the sake of my life, the sake of my health. I'm happy, really happy. So another thing I want to tell you guys is that in regards to my skin, although it's only been 4 days, my skin is feeling much plumper. For example, when I don't get the best sleep, I have these horrible under eyes, and I'm not the only person in the world that has under eyes. But look at this. I'm driving, but I'm feeling okay. I have no type of makeup on. I'm sorry if the camera is so shaky, but I am driving and this thing keeps moving. But I feel like my skin is looking fresh. There's more glow. There's natural glow, because I'm wearing no type of makeup at all, and I'm feeling good. And my skin has this natural blush to it, which I'm enjoying. 5 today we got on our masks. Mandatory. Everyone must wear their mask. I'm not mad about that. Back to our related water topic. I'm happy. I'm really happy that I started this, and I feel like I could do this past this week, not only just for this video. I could do it past this week, and I feel proud of myself. And there's no better satisfaction than feeling good about yourself and what you're doing and doing something good for your body. I got on the scale today, and I am this. Do you guys know what this is? I am 3 pounds down in 5 days. No exercise, eating what I normally eat. Either way, I'm trying to be as healthy as possible, but of course I haven't changed my diet from a week ago. So 3 pounds with just drinking water. What else can I ask for? I'm happy and I'm shook. I'm extremely happy. I'm missing 2 more days. I have my water here, my purse. I'm extremely happy with what I'm doing for myself. And I'll keep you guys updated. And guys, we have made it to the last day where I'm gonna drink a whole gallon of water just to see what are the benefits of drinking 1 gallon of water per 1 week. I mean, for a week. I have my water here. It is currently 2 in the afternoon. This is my second one. I consider it slacking, but it is the weekend, so I knew it was gonna be a little hard. So let me tell you, so far, your body, once after the 3rd day, I started feeling that my body was asking me for water, meaning that when I wasn't giving it water for a certain amount of time, I started feeling thirsty. I started getting hiccups, and I've always thought that if you get hiccups, it's your body asking you for liquid. And it's amazing. I feel so good. I'm waking up good every single day. I'm feeling healthy. I feel like, again, and I've said it 1,000 times in this video already, but I'm doing something good for myself. As simple as drinking water, it's great. And yesterday when I weighed myself, I was 4 pounds down without changing anything other than drinking water. And 4 pounds, that's beautiful. That's great. My last final weigh-in is gonna be tomorrow, just to see how much I lost in total. I don't even care if I lose more than 4, because 4 is so much weight lost already. It's freaking awesome. I recommend everyone to try this out, and hopefully it turns from a challenge to a lifestyle. That's what I'm trying to do. Even if it's just mental, I'm telling myself, okay, I'm doing this for a YouTube video, and I take these YouTube videos very seriously, so I do everything I have to do. And if I mess up a day, I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know. But I'm so happy, guys. I hope you really try this out. No better feeling than feeling hydrated and feeling good and feeling like you're doing something good for yourself. Try this out. You won't regret it. So it's Saturday afternoon and I am feeling wonderful, lighter, happier, and full of energy. First of all, the best thing I could have done was drink a gallon of water every single day. If anything, there was days that I drank more than a gallon of water. So I'm super excited and extremely proud of myself because I've never done it before. It wasn't hard. If you really want something, you're gonna do it. And I've noticed that with myself. It's all, if you want it, you'll get it, but you have to work for it. Today I weighed myself in the morning and I was 6 pounds down, meaning that I lost 6 pounds in 1 week. I'm still surprised by that I won. Well, yeah, I won this challenge. I lost 6 pounds this week, and that's crazy. And maybe it's pounds that I'll gain back, but so I got to see the number on the scale go down. I got to feel better. I got to feed my body this component that's wonderful for it. I'm extremely proud and happy of myself for doing this and allowing myself to do this challenge. And I'm excited, and I hope you guys are excited too, because I am gonna do 1 month. Look at me putting up 2 fingers. I'm gonna do 1 month of drinking a gallon of water per day to see what are the health benefits, what are the beauty benefits, everything. What are the benefits to drinking a gallon of water per day per month? So that is the next video coming up, and within a month, and I can't wait. I seriously can't wait to see what happens to my body in a month. Literally just relaxing in bed. It's a mess in my room because I filmed a video last night. But I am extremely excited, and I want to thank you guys so much for sticking around and following me out through this week. Knowing that I had to record this video to post it up to YouTube is what made me even more accountable for what I had to do. Other than that, I've been on this losing weight journey, and just adding this challenge onto the journey has made it so much easier. And I feel so happy and so proud of myself, because at first I was like, I can't drink a gallon of water, but I can't. I'm not going to. I know myself. So I guess I just don't know myself until I actually do something. But I'm so happy. And guys, stick around for that 1 month update of drinking a gallon of water per day. So if you guys have made it to the end of the video, I want to thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching me go throughout this whole week drinking a gallon of water to see what are the benefits. I'm gonna be so excited to record for 1 month this whole blog of drinking a gallon also. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. I love your support. It's so amazing to see my channel growing, and I'll say it in every single video that I love what I do. If you guys haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below if you guys drink a gallon of water per day, if that's a normal lifestyle thing for you guys, or if you guys are gonna start this challenge. Tell me if it's working for you. Probably is working for you. I don't doubt that. Let me know if it's easy for you or if it's hard. Need any advice? I'm here to help you guys out. Hopefully this helps you guys, or this motivates you guys to start drinking more water. We already know that is key to a great lifestyle and being healthy. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.